Hi guys, welcome to today's episode. Today we're going to be talking about training.
Hey!
That's Ryan. Hi Ryan. Today we're going to be talking about training family members. I don't want to do another long intro, so I'm just going to bam right into it. So Ryan's trained. He knows what brands I like, what brands I like to sell, what condition they need to be in, the price range, so on and so forth. So the best thing to do, especially because time is money, and the last thing you want to do is spend like 5 hours at a thrift store. Otherwise the prices of the items obviously go up because your time is worth money. So we just like divide and conquer. So every time we go to a thrift store together, he knows to go to dresses. He starts blazing through, looking for dresses, checking the brands, checking the comps, so on and so forth. Same thing with me. I go to another section of the store. So we divide and conquer. And so that's something that you guys should be passing on to your family members or your spouses, just kind of get them familiar with it. So then they know like, oh, well, everybody feels this way. As soon as they pick something out and then it sells for like 3, 4, 5 times as much, like they realize like, oh crap, like it's so easy. I have a good eye for things. And, it really kind of helps build their confidence in this whole thing. So really kind of train your family members, and not just in like when you're shopping, but like also let your family members know like what things you're looking for too. My mother-in-law, she's a thrifter. And so she will find a luxe item and she'll say, hey, do you want to put this in your ThredUp box and sell it for me? And I'm like, yeah, I totally need luxe items for my boxes. So then I can put them in there and then add non-luxe items in the boxes as well. So that way I can send them off to ThredUp. But it really kind of helps because I don't have a billion luxe items lying around to just throw in boxes. So just knowing that she has access, or that she knows that I send stuff to ThredUp, it really does help me in the long run, that I have another source of luxe items to, continually put them in my boxes. My mom knows that like I thrift, and like she knows if people are going to get rid of some of their stuff, maybe I want to buy them off of them, or they'll let me know, hey, there's a garage sale here and there. If I want to go over there and ask them like, hey, I'll just buy everything that's left over, stuff like that. Things that you might not think that they might have access to. You never know. So just kind of chime them in, let them know. And it really might help you in the long run, just having that extra access to things. You never know what you're going to end up getting. And that's the beauty of this whole thing. So anyway, hopefully this tip has helped you. Feel free to go ahead and follow me if this is on IG. If you're watching this on IGTV, make sure to hit like so it helps other people find this video and all these tips as well. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe, please subscribe. Share this video with your Facebook groups and post it on there. I love seeing that stuff. Make sure to tag me. I'm at Ediza on Facebook as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys next episode. Bye.